Hello and welcome back. Susan Zumo here, intuitive and originator of soul patterning harmonics. If you haven't already, I invite you to like, share, subscribe, ring the bell. All that good stuff really helps get the message out. Also, I would invite you to visit my website at susanzumo.com for upcoming classes in the new year, as well as our monthly meditation on the first Monday night of every month. So this week's message comes from my heart to yours. The spirit of this season, this weekend, and the celebrations taking place is love. From my heart to your heart, I wish you love. No matter if you believe, if you celebrate, don't celebrate, love and kindness are front and center on a daily basis right now. You see it in the old movies and the cheerful lights wherever you go, reminding us that there is more to life in this world than the physical desires, hurts, and pains that we see every day. Love and kindness is the reason for the season, not the unrelenting advertisements competing for your money, not the headlines bent on reminding us how terrible the world is, or the sneak thieves waiting to pull the rug out from under us once we pack up the holidays and put them away until next year. In Bill Murray's movie Scrooged, one of my absolute favorites, Frank Cross says, "It's Christmas Eve. It's the one night of the year when we all act a little nicer, we smile a little easier, we cheer a little more. For a couple of hours out of the whole year, we are the people that we always hoped we would be." My wish and challenge for each of us in the coming year is to be the people that we hope we can be. Don't put the spirit of love and kindness back in the box with all of the holiday decorations until next year. Be kind and loving toward yourself and others all year long. Forget about New Year resolutions, about diet and exercise. Resolve to be and live in your highest aspect now and in the coming year. Once things settle down, check out your inner self. Connect with your heart and extend love into every aspect of your being and your life. That will make for a wonderful new year and carry the reason for the season all throughout the coming months. So until next year, I wish you many, many blessings.